Welcome back, humans. What if I told you? There might be another universe, identical to ours, occupying the exact same space. Right now, you can't see it, you can't touch it. But some physicists believe it might be responsible for 85% of the matter in the universe. And if this theory is true, it changes everything we think we know about reality. You've probably heard of dark matter. It's the mysterious stuff that makes up most of the mass in the universe. We can't detect it directly, but we know it's there because of its gravitational effects. Galaxies spin faster than they should, stars behave oddly, and massive galaxy clusters bend light in ways that only make sense if there's invisible matter holding everything together. But here's the thing, after decades of searching, we've found zero dark matter particles, no evidence of what it's actually made of. So now, some scientists are asking a different question. What if dark matter isn't just matter we can't see, but matter from an entire mirror universe? This idea isn't science fiction. It's called the mirror matter hypothesis, and it's been quietly gaining traction in modern theoretical physics. According to this theory, there could be a shadow universe made of particles that mirror our own, shadow electrons, shadow protons, even shadow atoms. They would interact with each other just like normal matter, forming shadow stars, shadow galaxies, maybe even shadow life. But they wouldn't interact with us. Not electromagnetically, only through gravity. That means we wouldn't be able to see them, touch them, or detect them with any telescope. And yet, they could be drifting all around us. So where does this theory come from? Well, part of it dates back to the 1950s, when physicists discovered something odd. The universe seems to violate symmetry, specifically in weak nuclear interactions. The laws of physics aren't identical when reflected in a mirror. It's like the universe prefers left-handedness. This imbalance bugs scientists. Nature should be symmetrical. So some theorists proposed a fix. What if, somewhere out there, there's a hidden sector, a mirror universe, that restores that symmetry? It would be the cosmic yin to our yang. Imagine two overlapping universes, ours, made of regular matter, and another, made of mirror matter. They're both governed by the same physics, but their particles don't talk to each other, except via gravity. If that's true, it could solve a lot of mysteries. Why can't we find dark matter particles? Why does dark matter behave like it's clumped into halos around galaxies, just like visible matter? Why has dark matter always seemed to act more like a structure than a random swarm? Because maybe it is. Maybe it's galaxies and stars made of shadow matter, orbiting in tandem with our own. We just can't see them. This might sound like pure theory, and most of it is, but there have been strange anomalies in physics labs that might hint at mirror interactions. In 2020, scientists at Oak Ridge National Lab in Tennessee were running an experiment involving neutrons. They found that under specific conditions, some neutrons seem to disappear for a tiny fraction of a second, then reappear. Where did they go? One possible explanation: the neutrons were briefly flipping into mirror neutrons, vanishing into the shadow universe, then returning. No one has confirmed it yet, but more experiments are planned. Now here's where it gets really weird. If mirror matter exists, could it form planets? Could it evolve life? Could there be intelligent beings living in a universe just inches away from ours, completely unaware we exist? It's not impossible. In fact, some versions of the theory suggest that mirror matter could even clump into habitable worlds, maybe even versions of Earth. But there's a catch. If they're out there, we'd never see them. We could be staring into space, and a mirror civilization could be looking right back at us, and we'd never know. The mirror matter theory might sound speculative, but it offers something that most dark matter theories don't: a testable model. We can design experiments to look for mirror neutron oscillations. We can use gravitational lensing to map shadow structures in space, and maybe one day, we'll even detect a mirror meteor entering our solar system, invisible to light, but dragging space around it like a ghost. The truth is, the universe is stranger than we ever imagined. And the more we learn, the more it feels like we're living in just one layer of something much, much bigger. So next time you look up at the stars, remember this: you might not be looking at all of them. There could be entire galaxies, drifting quietly in the dark, parallel worlds, just beyond the veil of light, waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the unknown with us, consider subscribing for more cosmic mysteries. Until next time, stay curious.